Okay, everybody, it's finally here. Helium is the real deal. I got my Goldspot miner. I decided not to go with the black one, but I went with the gold one. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys so you should see what it should look like when you get your miner. Now, right now, currently, Helium tokens are at $52 a share. It might be up a little bit. It might be down a little bit by the time you see this video. But essentially, what this is going to do is going to produce about $50 per token. And in my area, there are no other beacons in my area, but there are 4 that I would be able to connect to. So my reward should be pretty high. So here we go with our unboxing. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Yep, there we go. Let's see, we've got our instruction manual. I'm going to put that back in the spot. We know we rarely look at the instructions. We just go ahead and do what we're going to do. Set that off to the side. Look at it. So the thing that I'm noticing about the gold is that unlike the other minted, how it's on the side, this here just has the minted logo right here. And then it says here, engraved in this case, limited edition. And so it doesn't have the 2 USB ports on the side like the other one, like the black has, but it does have the antenna. And I want you guys to check out this antenna. This was the thing that I was concerned about before ordering it. So I wanted to wait before I ordered my extra antenna. But what was the actual size of this antenna? And if you see here, it's got the natural 3 dBi antenna. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade that. And we're going to go ahead and twist that on in like that. And yeah, it's just like what it's supposed to be. And now here we are. We've got the power supply unit. And now we're going to go ahead and get rid of the box. And yeah, this is pretty easy. And to start mining, you know, Voss Coin has got a couple of different miners out there. So, oh, look at that. Okay, so look, guys, this is the same USB port as you would use for your cell phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 through 10. You know, the new port. That's what this one is using. And so let's see here. To power it up, yep, goes right in there. And so now all I'm going to do is take my Ethernet cable and plug it right in here, put that into the modem, and happy mining. So if there are any questions that you have, let me know. Comment below. And Helium's where it's at.